We have Sadie here. She's been here working through our basic obedience, clicker training, treat training, all that. Part of our Super Puppy program. And we are going to begin her bird introduction. So we'll see how this goes. She seems a little distracted right now. So hopefully the bird will be more enticing to her than the cord. I'm really not too concerned about whether or not she delivers to me. I'm really looking for her to go out and pick up the bird. Again, this is a bird introduction. Often in training, you want to be cautious about trying to accomplish too many things. I'm really just trying to get her to, introduce her to the bird. So here goes. Sadie. Hey, pup, pup. And that is a clipped wing pigeon that I put out there. Oh, there she's got it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Pup, pup. Oh, pup, pup. I'll get the cord. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, pup, pup, pup. Pup, pup, pup. Parading around a bit. Yet I'm not super concerned about that. I'm mostly wanting her to get comfortable with the bird. I'm about dizzy here, going in circles. Hey, pup, pup. There you go. There you go. Oh, and then she did bring it to me. I apologize for the camera work there. Again, often it's tough. Hey, pup, pup. Try it one more time. Hey, pup, pup. Sadie. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. I'm trying to get down at the ground at her level. Hey, girl. There you go. There, she brought it to me.